I'm sure you're part of a team, and sometimes you may wonder why you get along with some people and not with others. What is the main cause of conflict? Peter is decisive and assertive. He's fast-paced and very goal-oriented, to the extent that he sometimes prioritizes achieving results over getting along with people. Sarah, on the other hand, is very diplomatic and prefers everything to be done according to rules and procedures. Sometimes she can be a very demanding and meticulous person, and she emphasizes quality so much that she sometimes loses sight of the goal. Michael is a bit shy. He has some difficulty showing emotions, but he's an excellent team player. He is loyal and handles conflicts very well. He listens to his colleagues and is always ready to help. Because he doesn't speak much, you never know what he's thinking. And finally, we have Karen, who is a hurricane, the life of the party. She never stops talking. She loves to interact and is always seeking for new experiences. She is very optimistic, so optimistic that she tends to lose focus easily. There is no doubt that people are different, but thanks to DISC, we can predictably understand these differences. DISC measures 4 predictable behavioral factors: how we respond to challenges, how we relate to and influence others, how we respond to the pace and changes in our environment, how we act according to established norms and procedures. This allows us to understand our own communication style and the communication style of others, helping us build bridges and remove relationship barriers. Some people are task-oriented, others are goal-oriented. Some are people-oriented and others are process-oriented. This can create serious tensions between different behavior and orientation styles, leading to dysfunction in the work environment. The DISC methodology helps us better understand each other, transforming interpersonal communication and fostering the creation of interpersonal bonds. This method is your best ally in the workplace. Learn to use the DISC language and become a master of interpersonal communication to improve your leadership, break relationship barriers, resolve conflicts, discover your strengths, address your areas of improvement, conduct efficient recruitment processes, enhance team communication and efficiency. Do you want to learn this foolproof method? What are you waiting for? Join us and discover the wonderful world of DISC.